Oops. Hello, this is Willy again for video of the birds documentary part 3. The baby birds are currently peeping and moving around a lot, but we can't go outside because once we do, they stop moving. So what I'm about to show you, we will have to see through the window.
You're such a dork.
Hey. Wow, it's not zooming in again. Okay, I guess we have to go outside. Be very quiet, because they move at any sound. You can look first. Oh my god, they're moving. I see them moving. I must zoom in. Why doesn't it zoom in anymore? If you can use a human eye like I can right now.
Oh my god.
What?
You're scaring me.
Okay, viewers. I will describe. I will describe to you what I can see. As of now, there is a bird head blob, and the parent is not here. Since the parent is not here, we will go outside. Oh my god, do you see that? Oh my god, they're so ugly. Like, seriously, so ugly. Oh my god, I think we've been locked outside with these monsters. If only I could show you what they look like. Do you see it?